Cool Springs at Charlestown is a beautiful community. We have about 100 acres, many floor plans you can choose from. We are right at the top of the Chesapeake Bay. We're just off Route 40. This is a great commute if you go south to Baltimore or DC, or if you go north to Wilmington, Philadelphia or New York. We have walking trails, we have some play tot lots for the kids, so it's really a family community. It's absolutely beautiful. We have a variety of floor plans to suit your needs. We go anywhere from about 2,000 square feet up to 3,600 square feet and anywhere in between. We have the Bordeaux, which is beautiful French look. We have the Covington farmhouse, which is absolutely gorgeous, very, very popular. And then we also have our model home here at Cool Springs is our Covington Vintage. Absolutely spectacular. This home is approximately 3,400 square feet. We have beautiful features. We have a beautiful classic kitchen, very open into the family room. Then, of course, upstairs, we have a beautiful luxurious Venetian bath, plus 4 bedrooms, all with walk-in closets. These floor plans, not only are they gorgeous on the outside, but we have extremely efficient use of the space inside. Whether you choose the small home or the larger home, you can make it your own. We've been in business since 1992. We've won many awards as the best home builder. And in this particular community, we have a huge number of happy homeowners. We have extremely private home sites backing onto the wooded lots. We just opened our 4th phase. 3 good reasons to purchase a home at Cool Springs in Charlestown.